看是在地新闻，徛在地看世界。来看美国已经有超过440万人为着新冠病毒，死亡的人数嘛超过15万人。讲美国的医生真无奈，讲因除了爱对抗着疫情，爱阁面对着无知的民众。因为到即摆，也是有真侪美国人无愿意挂喙罨，害家己嘛害着别人。美国的众议院即摆总算强制来规定，出入着国会即摆一定拢爱挂喙罨。
The U.S. death toll now above 150,000.
无听到，伫美国因为新型冠状病毒死亡人数已经超过15万人，到底是安怎？美国确诊甲死亡率拢一直冲悬，徛伫上前线的医护人员讲，真侪人是真无知，害人搁害家己。
A war against COVID and a war against stupidity. And the problem is that the first one, I have some hope about winning. But the second one is becoming more and more difficult to treat. And why do I say that? Because people are not listening.
讲袂听的民众甲政客，就是唔听医疗专家的警告。
You can look at large portions of our country. It's corona-free.
川普的讲法随后外界洗面，看美国地图红色甲黄色的区域确诊人数继续咧增加，敢若佛蒙特是青色的，将近6礼拜无死亡的案例。
Case counts right now high, but stabilizing in Florida.
阿拉斯加州政府决定讲，想要入境的民众都要先查医疗证明。美国联邦众议院的议长佩洛西宣布讲，国会议员甲职员伫疫情期间入去众议院时，拢必须挂喙罨，真正有惊到。